Hi friends, this is Satish Rawal and today I'm gonna teach you difference between will and going to. These two expressions we use for future sentences. When we make future tense sentences, we use will and going to. But students or learners of English get confused when to use where this going to and when to use will. I have made it so easy today that you will understand easily how to use and where to use this. Okay, what I have done, I have written down the situations on the board, whiteboard, so that you can understand it easily. Okay, let me start one by one. The first one is we use rapid decisions, offer, promise, threat, refusal. For these situations we use will. Okay, and then for prior plan and evidence or sign and predictions we use going to. But I have just written down examples so that it's going to make you clear, right? It's make you understand easily. The first one is rapid decision. Rapid decision means when at the time of speaking you have not thought about that thing. Suppose somebody asks me, hey, what will you eat tonight for dinner? And I have no idea actually. What I will say, I have no idea. I think I'll eat bread. I'll eat bread. Okay, I have no idea actually. So what I'm saying, I have no idea. So sentence example is I'm thirsty. I think I'll buy a drink. Okay, you are in a marketplace and you have no idea, but you are thirsty now. So what you are saying, I think I'll buy a drink. You are not saying I'm going to buy a drink. You say I think I'll buy a drink. The next situation is offer. When we offer our help to someone, we speak this language. That looks heavy. I will help with it. I'm just using will here. That looks heavy, right? Somebody is lifting something and it's heavy and you just offer your help. And what's the language you say? I'll help with it. I'll help with it. Okay. The next situation is promise. We normally make promises and we use will then. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Suppose by mistake or somehow you tell your secrets, right? And I just promise I won't tell anyone. Won't is will not. Will not. It's a contraction of will not. Won't. W-O-N apostrophe T. I won't tell anyone. So again you are using will language here. Next one is threat. What is threat? Everybody knows that. Okay, you are threatening somebody, blackmailing someone, and then we use again will. If you don't stop, I'll tell your mother. Again you are using will here. If you don't stop, I'll tell your mother. Okay. The next one is refusal. Sometimes we refuse something and people refuse what we say. Then also we use will. Sentence example is she won't listen to anything I say. That means maybe she is arrogant or she is stubborn or whatever, but she won't listen to anything I say. Here the situation you see is changing. Prior plan is something at the moment of speaking something, you have already planned that thing. Okay. When you have planned something, you are using going to. Suppose here it written, I'm going to the beach next weekend with my friends. You are using going to here. I'm going to the beach next weekend with my friends. Okay. Here I would like to give one more idea. Going to informal contraction is gonna. Nowadays all speakers or native speakers especially, they speak gonna. They don't say going to. So you can say I'm gonna to the beach. I'm gonna go to the beach. Right, like this. I'm gonna go to the beach next weekend with my friends. The second situation is in this evidence and signs. When some sort of evidence is there, some sort of sign is there, then also you can use going to. Sentence example is my stomach hurts a lot and I think I'm going to throw up. My stomach hurts a lot and I think I'm going to throw up. Okay. Throw up is vomit. This means vomit. V-O-M-I-T. right? So what is the sign? Sign is your stomach hurts a lot and then you speaking I'm going to throw up. So that means when you have some evidence and some sort of sign, we use this going to language. The last one is predictions. But in predictions, what happens whenever you are making a predictions, you can use both the things. You can use will and you can use going to. For example, I have written here, I think it will rain tomorrow. Right? I have no idea, but that's why I'm saying I think it will rain tomorrow. Here I am using will. Again, in second example, I've written I think it's going to rain tomorrow. So in prediction case, both are correct. Okay. Hope you have enjoyed this video. But before I finish this video, I just request all my viewers to subscribe to my channel, and my friends, if you have already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.